So we gotta do that again. I know. Uh-huh. Right now, like my fixed job is working at nightclub, still, same place, but I'm super busy lately. I've got some dance gig and I promote events right now for some summer festival. I do that, and I'm working on some musical as well. So yeah, but still not making that much money though. Sometimes yes. Yeah. So you are willing to come down to Tokyo? Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Yeah, okay, cool. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Sorry? Sometimes yes. Of course, yeah, yes. Usually on Monday and Tuesday I'm free. Yes. Yeah, I am more busy on weekend. Uh-huh. Cool. Uh-huh. Okay, cool.